Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can read an Excel file through openpyxl. In the previous video, we would have seen we read an Excel through the package pandas. In this session, we are going to see how we can read an Excel using openpyxl. So we'll do the file path, same file path or file name which we used previously, sample.xlsx. So if you want to see this file, you can watch my previous video on how to read an Excel using pandas. You can watch that. So I'll just write workbook equal to, so openpyxl has a method installed. You can add, I'm not taking alias here. I'm just directly importing it, or I can just write as op so that, okay, let us take an alias. Else we take dot, it will be load workbook. I have to load workbook here. For which path you want to load? So I want to load for this file path. So let me copy this. So let me paste it here. Once you're done with that, let's go for sheet. Sheet should be active. So wb dot. So I'm right also taking here sheet equal to which sheet? The first ever sheet. So which is sheet 1. So what is the name you have given? So by default, when you open an Excel, it will create a sheet with a sheet 1. So now I'll run the loop so that I could print the values. In I have sheet. If I put dot here, I have a method called iter underscore rows. So it will do the iteration. So if I give colon here, let us start, go inside another loop for cell in a row. Enter to space. Then I'm printing what? Print cell dot value, comma, end equal to, I'm giving a space. Afterwards, just one space. I'm just doing a print. So it will print a new line after each row. So now let me save this as, so open pyxl underscore read excel.py. It should be all files. Again, you can save it here. Now let me open the command prompt. So let me run this program now. Python open pyxl read excel.py. So it should be able to read the Excel now. So I think we have missed a colon here. So let me minimize this. Let me add the colon here. So let me save this. Let me run it again. So it should be able to print it now properly. So name designation A developer. Just print it properly. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.